Hey gang, Poppy here. This is sort of a business review and a call to, what's that word where you don't do business with them? Boycott? Yeah, that's it. Boycott. Do not spend any money at micromark.com. They've decided they don't want to do the 800 order number, the simplest part of their business plan. Person sit there at a thing, got a phone. Okay, that'll be going out. It should be there sometime within the next millennium. Slow shipping. Expensive. Oh, god damn. Let's give this another try, gang. Like I was saying, boycott Micromark. Don't go to www.micromark, that's micromark.com. Don't. What you want to do is call their used to be toll-free order number, 1-800-225-1066, and use the keypad to pick the customer service and leave a message telling them, hey, if you don't want my money because I need to call you on the phone to order, I don't have a computer. Or, oh, hey, you don't want my money? Fine. All of you, call 1-800-225-1066 and on the customer service line, complain about the lack of a 1-800 talk to a person order line. It seems they've gone through a change of ownership. I may be wrong. Now they're too cheap to have one idiot on the phone at a little computer makes me wonder, is their merchandise getting cheaper too? Yeah, If they're too cheap to have an order line on the phone, maybe their merchandise is getting cheap. Think about it. Anyway, flood their 1-800-225-1066 number with calls to customer service saying, hey, I really need to talk to a person when I order from you. Let me tell you what happened yesterday when I went to the www website to order. I said, okay, fine, I'll give it a try. 3 times in a row, their goddamn computer, you motherfucking phone. Hello? No, she's not. She's on the way to the clinic. Yeah. Uh-huh. Idiots with phones! Anyway, I went to the website, used their online ordering, and 3 times in a row, their computer charged my card for the merchandise, but didn't tell me. Did not tell me I had been charged. That's called fraud. If a human did something like this to make that happen, that is a criminal offense. And going across state lines, that's a federal criminal offense. If it's just a stupid, retarded computer program, which is possible, I think they changed hands. They don't have money. They can't afford an 800 phone talker to take orders. Maybe their computer system is even more retarded than pick any group you absolutely hate and would like to see burn. That's how stupid the computer system would have to be for it to be a computer glitch. Possible. Anyway, they've seen the last of my money. Never, ever, never, ever again will I spend any money at Micromark. I'll spend more elsewhere for the same thing. See that Micromark? I may seem angry. Rightfully so. A computer or a person tried to defraud me. So I get out of my gentle, loving, patient, nurturing kind of person self. And it's time to use my internet influencer role to burn Micromark's corporate reputation to the ground on the internet. So, call 1-800-225-1066. Get on the customer service line and demand a 1-800 talk to a person on the phone to order merchandise number. Good night from California.